Channel. My name is Joseph. Today I'm doing a very nice matchbox mixed with Hot Wheels review. It's about pickup trucks, and pickup trucks have very long beds, small beds, big bags, long beds, medium beds, and you can put stuff inside the beds, like this one. This is a Ford. This is a actual Ford. This is actual Ford F-150, and it has a bed at here. It has a very big bed, a very nice bed. So it's like this, and the side looks like this. So now I'm going to tell you about all of them. I have hundreds and thousands of these ones here. So first one that we take out is this very nice Chevy Silverado. Front looks like this. Back looks like this. The bed is big, like my dad's truck. He has a brown Ford F-150, and this is a Chevy Silverado. Very extended bedish. Very nice. Next truck that we take is this truck that I always showed you, but I won't show the front. And the bed is pretty much the same. Okay, let me look at the bed because I'm not focusing enough. There's the bed. It looks like that. Very nice one, you know. Blue tires. Which is so weird. That tire's got all the gear and stuff. Next one that we take out is this Jeep Gladiator. Very nice lime green color. Upside down, no doors on it or roof. Come on, focus on it, please. Focus. There we go. Very nice chrome lip bar. And this is actually a matchbox. If you look at the bottom, it says matchbox or Hot Wheels or whatever. This one says so there's the matchbox, and the elephant is somewhere. Where's the elephant? Oh, there it is. Sorry, I see the elephant. The elephant is right there. You see the elephant. And the bed is like extended, so it's the same size bed. Front looks like this, very nice Jeepy. Back looks like this, very nice, realistic. As I was saying, oh, I dropped it. Very nice bottom, very nice crawled out tires. Next one that we take is this is actually the new EV Hot Wheels. This is the electric GMC or electric Hummer, as you might call it. And I've never seen one in real life like this one. So it's like very nice. Back looks like this. Very extended bedish. Quite a little bit of medium bed. It has a skateboard in the bed. As you can see there, there's a skateboard. Next truck that we take is this Ford Raptor. Very nice color. The back looks like this. The front looks like this. All the animals' poop are the same. This is a Hot Wheel. Next car that we take is this yellow Chevy Silverado. Very nice lip bar there. Let me show you the diesel sign. Where's the diesel sign? There it is. Focused. That looks like this. Very nice medium-ish bed. Very graphic T there. Back looks like this. Side looks like this. Front probably always show it on the camera, but I've caught my kid booty on camera. And we have this purple number 2 truck. I don't think about the orange tire because the orange tires look a bit ugly. Big tailgate. And this was from a HV that was ride on Hot Wheels pack. Very nice graphic.